Hello and welcome. Well, today we're in Coral Bay, just outside Paya, and the road behind us is the main Coral Bay to Paphos road. And a requested video, somebody said that you did one for Coral Bay Strip on the night time, could you do one for the day? So we said, of course we can. So we're here, we're going to do your Coral Bay Strip daytime, just a walking tour guide. So please join us. So this tour is going to start from actually the main road. We've parked in the car park just off the main road, and here is a Pizza Hut and also a restaurant chain which is known as Ocean Basket. Ocean Basket is a very popular kind of fish restaurant in Cyprus. Do fish and chips and various seafood delights. And next door to that we've got the Pizza Hut. Fidas Taverna and buy sell property. So Othellos Restaurant. It's quite quiet. It's 3:20 in the afternoon, and it's very warm. You can freeze frame and have a look at the prices if you're interested. So climbing up from the car park, we've got the French restaurant here. And next door to a real estate agent. Quad hire, book some tours, jeep safaris, taxis. A little laundrette over the road, little laundry. Again, car hire. Generally car hire in the busy times is minimum of 3 days, and prices are very variable depending on the type of car you want or require. Takeaway. And the Bank of Cyprus across the road there. So if I remember rightly, on the evening one, this is where we cross the road. It's pretty dark, and then everything lights up as we hit the strip. So as we go down the strip here, up in the top corner somewhere, I'm going to put a link to the nighttime tour, so you can have a look at that as well if you wish to. Les Amis restaurant next to the Rio Grande Tex-Mex. And on this side of the road we've got Trattoria. Yep. Again, it's 3 in the afternoon, 3:30 in the afternoon, so some of these places aren't open yet. Now we've got bus stops, unsurprisingly, at both sides of the road for the 615, which is the Coral Bay Paphos Harbour bus. And as we can see here, we're here, and Paphos is just down here. So certainly a lot further than it looks on the map there. It would be about a 20 minute drive from one. But there's a cycle route that we're looking at here. So the 615, the bus. The buses run up and down, certainly in the holiday season, about every 15 minutes. I believe the bus fare is about €1.50, something in that order. Long time since I've been on a bus. And very regular and run till midnight-ish. You can Google it, there are timetables available on Google. So plenty of these kiosk gift shops sell a range of items from clothing to food. So anything you're missing, suntan lotion, magazines, cash points. Watch some of the cash points, they do charge. Santa Marina Fish Restaurant. Yeah, it has a good reputation. Food Delicious, kind of a sandwich shop. So again, more gift shops as we proceed down the strip. Dirty Martini cocktail bar. Various live acts on there. Asian Kitchen. Chalky's Bar. Karaoke Wednesday and Sundays. Over the road there we've got Cypriot Mediterranean cuisine, and again another shopping centre. And over on this side we've got Kikos Bar. Staff wanted, anybody wants a job. I'll come to hot sunny Cyprus for the summer holidays. You'll probably pick up a job. Students welcome. Again, supermarket across the road there. Is there any restaurants? Again, some of these restaurants will do set menu, tourist menus, where you get 3 courses, a starter, a main and a dessert for a set price. Some do, some don't. Oh, fresh oysters. The Canto Taverna, takeaway, across the road there. Cleo's Cocktail Bar and an Italian Cypriot Cuisine next door to that. Palm Grove Italiano. So here we've got a kind of little shopping centre, but it's mostly things like leather shops and real estate. Restaurant above there. Dionysus Bar. So the strip isn't very long, as you're going to see in a minute. Oh, betting shop, handy. Japanese restaurant. And we've got Blazing Saddles pub across the road there. Kind of country and western themed cowboy pub. Dolce Vita Italian restaurant across the road. And again we can see the entertainment, live entertainment most nights, from Michael Jackson's Back from the Dead, Blues Brothers are Back from the Dead, and Lady Gaga. Quite often you'll find Elvis is back. Elvis is tonight, is it? Well, there you go. So rumours of his departure are over exaggerated. Oh, people asking how much drinks are in Cyprus. Well, there we go. Happy hour all night, cocktails $5.50, large beer, which is a Leon in this case, or a large cider, Strongbow, $2.50 for a beer, $3.50 for a cider. Passing Lamborghini, sensible car for Cyprus, the roads are terrible. There you go. And then we've got the Golden Temple Chinese restaurant. Oh yeah, it's Chinese, Indian, Thai sushi. So they cover all the bases there. We'll call it Asian restaurant, Asian fusion. absolute underground nightclub. I think it's closed because all the signs are all dirty. And then going down the hill here, it actually goes down to Coral Bay, the beaches itself. So if you're coming to Coral Bay Beach, stay on the bus. The bus will take you down the hill here and take you directly to the beaches. If you stay on the bus right to the terminus, that'll take you to a very nice beach. Or you can jump off anywhere at the bottom of the hill and there are beaches to be found. Just down this hill there is Coffee Island, coffee shop halfway up the hill if you're walking back up. And across the road is the Crown Horizon Resort Hotel, which has been closed now for a couple of years. There was a sign of it reopening again last year, but nothing seems to have happened. So unfortunately it's another closed hotel. And in fact it's featured in a video I made called The Closed and Abandoned Hotels of Cyprus. So again, I will put a link up somewhere up there, and if you'd like to watch that video, please feel free. So the 615 bus just going past me now will take you down to Paphos Harbour. It will also pass the mall. So if you want to go in Kings Avenue Mall, then when you're staying in Coral Bay, 615 Paphos Harbour, jump off when you see the mall, you can't really miss it. And even if you did, it's only 5 minutes away from the harbour. So just off the main strip, as we make our way back towards the car, just taking a little detour to the left where there's the Luna Park for the kids. And closed on Wednesdays, that's fine. So it's just a little amusement park for the children, and kids can get tokens and go on the rides and play the games, etc. here. So, bumper cars and bouncy castles and little games for the kids to play on. I think the sign with the water running down has seen better days. So again, all part of the Luna Park. Trampolines. And the big trampolines here. Oh. Wonderful. Kids love bouncing. So again, at the top of this street we've got the big supermarket, which is Philippos. And the prices aren't bad, it's okay. So if you're self-catering or you fancy a can of pop or a snack or something, then you can go to Philippos. There is a nice bakery, yeah, there's a nice bakery in there, and there is a cafe upstairs, and so you can buy just everything really. It's a proper supermarket. So to get you your bearings, if I turn back, the road down at the bottom here, that's the main strip that we've come off. So we've got this little amusement park, mini golf place. So we are now back on the main Coral Bay strip, and just walking past Othellos Restaurant. And again, doner chicken kebab with chips and tzatziki, €7. Prices aren't bad. You can get a mez here. English breakfast with orange juice for €5. That's at Othellos. So, not extortionate by any stretch. Walking past the gift shop here. Camera lost track of me there. Got confused, like I do. So here we've got medical centre, the Coral Bay Health Clinic. Wasn't so long ago that there were queues everywhere for tests for the old plague. to see if you could travel or not, see if you could get on the plane back home. There we go, barbers seem to be everywhere now, and kind of back where we started heading down to the car park. So, Coral Bay Strip. Well, my friends, the time has come. Hope Lionel Richie ain't watching. Anyway, time has come to say farewell. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope there was some information there that you wanted to see for the people who requested this video. And we'll just say from Julie and me, Nigel, we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Bye.